I spoke to his lawyer, Attorney Rui Rondain, and I asked him what would make Zaldico come home. Sabi po niya, kasi nga, threat to his life is still there. Maybe sabi niya, house arrest or even bail.
Not happening. Not happening. House arrest is not happening. Bail is for the appreciation of the courts. But he cannot have house arrest. How can in good conscience can we even apply for house arrest for him if in its entirety he seems to have stolen billions and billions and maybe $1 billion or more than $1 billion from the Filipino people? Tapos lalagyan mo ng house arrest, doon siya titira sa Baguio, sa Pines Club ba yan? Yung magandang bahay niya ron, doon siya titira. Doon siya titira sa Valle Verde 6, pagkatapos magnakaw. Eh, nagnanakaw sa convenience store ng deodorant, kinukulong na yan sa Payatas. Eh, ito pa. Diba? Billion ang ninakaw, bibigyan mo ng house arrest. Parang mali yata yun.